Hello, Assalamualaikum and greetings to all of you. My name is Muhammad Adi Luqman bin Raizai and I am going to present my individual assignment for subject SABB 1012 Introduction to Biomedical Engineering. So my lecturer asked to choose a distinguished lecture series and present about it, and I chose Distinguished Lecture Series number 11, which was presented by Professor Alberto Liardini about 3D printing for orthopedics. So this presentation will be divided into 4, which are overview, advantages and disadvantages, my personal review, and also conclusion. Without further ado, let's move on to the overview of the lecture. So 3D printing or additive manufacturing is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. The creation of 3D printed object is achieved by using additive processes. Professor Alberto Liardini also mentioned about how 3D printer being used in orthopedics. In orthopedics, they use it for rapid prototyping to facilitate surgery design, orthopedic implants, and also point replicas to increase success of surgery. So there are cases that use 3D printing, and Professor Alberto Liardini has explained in detail about these cases, which are total knee replacement, massive osteoarticular reconstruction, pelvic reconstruction in oncology, and also vertebral body replacement. Advantages and disadvantages of this method. The advantages are it is better accuracy, less bone removal, also can get full 3D picture for each patient, is less invasive, less surgical time, and also shorter recovery for the patient. However, there are some disadvantages of using this method, such as it is limited material, not eco-friendly, and also time-consuming for the production. So my personal review. Actually, I heard about 3D printing in Industrial Revolution 4.0, and I never thought that they will use 3D printing in surgical. So I am so amazed about how they make full use of the current technology to increase the quality of healthcare system. Therefore, in the future, I would really love to see on how adaptation of some more technology in the healthcare system. Despite having some drawbacks on this method, I believe that with the innovation, all around the world can help to improve 3D printing in surgical. Therefore, in conclusion, I really love how this distinguished lecture series helped me in order to increase my knowledge, not just about biomedical engineering, but about technology in general. And I hope that University of Technology Malaysia will continue this distinguished lecture series in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.